It's 100 degrees outside, so it's time for an oil change. I'll show you what I got. I have 20W50 full synthetic right here. 1 quart of oil. I got 4 of them. And then the filter, I have the Hiflo Filtro black. See? That's how it looks like. I have some gloves. This here to catch my oil. This thing is pretty nice. It's very slim. It fits under every bike. And it's pretty big. And then to get to the oil right here, it was on this clip right here that I took off. And this thing comes down. I just gotta unscrew this and unplug it. Yuki! Stupid cat. Hope you get eaten by a coyote. Bruh. But before I start, milk and cookies. Okay, so I already started up my bike for about 3 minutes. I let it idle to get the oil circulating. So now let's undo this thing. I'm just going to loosen it up. I'm not going to fully take it off. Just loosen. And now we let it flow. There we go, baby. There we go. Right inside the hole. So I saw this video on how to take out the oil filter, because I don't have one of the oil filter wrenches, and this guy used a rope, so I'm going to try that today. And at the end of the video I'll show you how I made this rope here. I just saw it in a video. Okay, so this is my setup right now. I put the rope on here. I don't know if I did it right. We're going to test it out. And I put this little plastic bag so that I can catch any oil flowing down, and also a bag. Alright, so the video said like I have to stick this wrench and wrap it around, but it looks so confusing. I'm just gonna wrap this like this. I'm gonna twist it a couple times to get it to wrap around. See, like the video says to have it like that, and then to have a loop over, then I have to put the wrench like right in here like that so I can twist it. I bet I can just twist this off with my hand, but we're gonna do it this method. And then you get the other wrench like this, pull it. That ain't working. This is probably the wrong rope to do it with. Yeah, it's too slippery. Let's try this cable. I made another one just in case. This cable looks like it will grip on better. This is like the confusing part that I don't get how he does this. Alright, yeah, it's like this. And then he said to just put a wrench in here, and you just gotta like keep twisting it. Oh, I can feel it. I can feel this. It feels like it's working. Hey guys, I did it. So I went like this. I just really stuck this in really tight, right? I just stuck it, like I wedged it like really in there, and then I put this thing for leverage, and I kept on twisting it, and then it got loose. It's loose enough where I can turn it with my hands now. Look, it's coming off. It worked. And let me put this here so that it doesn't drip, because look, it's pretty much off. Oh, that's fucking awesome, baby. Oh! You know what? I'm stupid. Why did I use this? Bruh. Why am I using the stupid bag for? Why didn't I do that? I'm so dumb. So yeah, here it is. There's a bunch of oil in here. Dump all that out. All that oil. So yeah, if you don't have an oil filter wrench, just make a rope out of this thing. I feel like as long as you just tie a good knot, and then you go like this, go over, just like that, and just pull it through. Cool, this one includes a new one right here. I was gonna just reuse the old one because it looks pretty good still, but I will use this. Let's oil it up. In California, we're using 20W50 full synthetic. Cha! So the videos I was watching, some people didn't pour oil in here, but I'm gonna do it because I saw some of the old school guys do this, so I'm gonna copy. They pre-filled this with oil. I think that's good enough. I'm just gonna go like halfway, and then I'm gonna take this and rub it all around here. This is what I used to do to my car oil filters. Pretty sure we do the same thing to the bike. It's like halfway. I think that's pretty good. We're just going to twist this back on. And they say to only tighten this hand tight. So I'm just going to go until it's hand tight. I am pretty strong, been working out. I shouldn't go too crazy on that. Bruh. Alright, so I plugged this back up right here, but I'm not going to tighten it yet because I'm going to do something here. And I've seen this in videos. So the Sportsters, they take 2.8 to 3.5 quarts of oil. I'm going to pour some in here to start it off. See, let's do like half of this or something. Okay, so I'm going to do that. And then I'm going to go back here. I'm going to unplug this for a second because I want to get air bubbles out. I've seen other guys do this. So let's just unplug this for a second, like that. And then we plug it back up. And that should be good. Now I just tighten this back and tuck it away. Yeah. I'm gonna put it back on the same spot. It was right up here. I gotta put this clip back on. So yeah, let's just, we're gonna dump all this in. So I'll probably dump this in another bottle in, and then I'll tilt it up and I'll check it. I like to get every drop. A chug, 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 a chug. And that's about it. I'm just going to check the oil level again here in a minute. Let it cool down a bit. And yeah, if you poured in too much oil, just release it again. Just open it up, let some oil back out, plug it back in. You saw how easy it was when I let out the bubbles. Just unplug it, plug back in. Very simple. And do your own oil change on the Sportsters. They're very easy. Don't take it to the mechanic. You're going to waste your money. Very easy to do. that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Share it to people that don't know how to do oil changes. Give it a like, sub. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.